Hello and welcome to NADEX Weekly Paychecks. This is a binary options system that is based off of the NADEX Binary Options Exchange, the NADEX Binary Options Opportunity. Now, the binary options offered on NADEX are different than the traditional binary options. They offer us some very unique opportunity. The NADEX binary option combines several factors that allow us more flexibility and greater risk to reward ratios. Okay, we can trade NADEX binary options in different ways. And for more information on NADEX binary options, you can check out our NADEX 101 course. All right, NADEX is a different ballgame. If you've been trading some of the popular binary options brokers out there, then you're in for a surprise with NADEX. But you'll definitely want to learn about NADEX. You can get a lot better risk to reward ratios, and plus you can make a ton of money and not worry about it. This is an official USA exchange. All right, there's no messing around here. This is an exchange. Means that the profitability of NADEX is not based off of you losing money. It's based off of the transaction fee. Okay, so the more people trade, the more they make money. Not the more people lose, the more they make money. The traditional binary options broker is still pretty much based on the house model. The house model meaning, you know, the house at Las Vegas. Okay, so keep that in mind. So NADEX offers us a weekly binary option, and with this opportunity we can trade this weekly binary options in many different ways. And for this product we have developed what I call System1. Okay, yeah, it's not that fancy of a name, but System1 allows you to potentially net out a weekly paycheck on the NADEX system. And why would you even bother? Well, let's pop over here to the sales page. If you're not on this sales page here, go to optionsweeklypaychecks.com and just click on the NADEX box. All right, so why would we want to bother here with NADEX? Well, the binary option with NADEX offers a variety of risk-reward profiles, and instead of having to do a 100% risk to a 70% reward, we can do a 20% risk to well, it's not even a ratio. We can get a 400% reward to our risk. For example, we can enter a binary contract where, as if we clear the strike price, we can risk 200 and then profit 800. Did you know that? Well, you can with NADEX. And so this is an amazing thing. But then when you go at the money, all right, that's a different ballgame. It's about a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, which is still better than the traditional binary broker. And then you can place these binaries that are away from the money, in that you're looking to pluck off credit, like a credit spread, like an out-of-the-money credit spread. So that's another opportunity. Although your risk to reward ratios are reversed, but your probability factors are increased if you're away from the strike price on the positive side. Anyways, we look here to trade in combining a momentum strategy, or more of a slight momentum strategy, and a clearing of the at the money binary with NADEX. Anyway, so point is that, you know, first of all, what is this? This is a system. It's a course. We're going to teach you through videos the magic formulas and the way to trade the NADEX weekly paycheck system. Okay, so when you're on the site, you can scroll down here and you can see the details on how this works. Of course, while you're on this page, sign up for the the follow-up series that teach you more about this system specifically. And make sure you join our newsletter to learn about, first of all, how to trade better, how to actually put yourself in position to actually start producing a extra weekly paycheck from the stock options market, or now binary options market. And we'll teach you all sorts of things and give you various tips, but we'll teach you about our products. Any one of these products have a potential instant solution for many of you out there, and you have to really ask yourself, well, what if this could work, as it has with other students who have written us and told us their success. Anyways, so let's go over here. Let's go over to a performance sample. Okay, this is based on the Dow 30s. This is an e-signal symbol for a continuous contract there, and so this is each row represents a week. All right, and you can see the wins and the losses. So we try to keep this simple, and with very little time involved. And so this is the approach to the System 1. And you can see here how the wins and losses pan out. Since we're doing at the money, everything's a 1-to-1 risk to reward. So this is probably the worst week right here, where one is lost and one is won. And that would be approximately a break even, depends on the exact price you got. Okay, and similar here. All right, so it's not like a regular binary where if you have 2 losses and 2 wins, you would actually be losing. So we scroll down here and we look at the net. Okay, and we base this off a 10 contract position. When you're starting out, start with 1 contract, please, until you know what you're doing. And then when you know what you're doing, you can increase it. And then as you become consistent, what you want to aim for is getting up to 50 contracts, okay, and then 100 contracts. So your weekly paycheck can get up to, somewhere near that $8,000 figure per week. Okay, this is a weekly paycheck site, week per week. So check out the system. If you have any questions, let us know. Contact us from the contact form if you think we should explain something better on these presentation pages, which it's always the case. So let us know, and we will do so. And if you're from another country, if you don't speak English well, you just go to Google Translate and use that. All right, we've been communicating with folks all throughout the world and helping them out get trading well. Okay, so we're here to start to help you to trade well, to avoid mistakes, all right, and get into success habits of winning and trading. All right, so let's try to learn well, avoid mistakes and the cons of the marketplace that get people sucked in and doing all sorts of crazy things. Let's be prudent, because trading for a living is the greatest business and the greatest business model of all time, in my opinion. And that only happens if you treat it seriously and treat trading like you would the most serious business. Okay, like your trading business is actually listed on the stock exchange where you have to report, and if you treat it with that level of seriousness, potential profits can be dramatic. Okay, and so anyways, there's a lot to learn. Let's get started. Sign up for the newsletter, and if you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, just scroll to the bottom and click the good old add to cart button to get started. Thanks.